My name's Hayden. This is my first bike ride without training wheels, and I have a kitty hat.
A what? No, what kind of helmet do you have on?
Kitty.
Not a kitty. What is that thing? It's got pink and black, and it's got eyes on it, and it's a kind of bug. What kind of bug is it?
Caterpillar.
No.
Ladybug.
What is it?
Ladybug.
All right, give me a growl. You ready to go?
Yes.
First time on your bike? Keep pulling straight and just ride and have fun, okay?
Okay.
Pump those legs. Always pump the legs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pump those legs. Look straight, look straight, look straight. Keep looking straight, keep looking straight. There he goes. Keep looking straight, buddy. Pedal hard, buddy, pedal hard. Pedal hard, keep going. Hayden, pedal hard, keep going, buddy, keep going. You're going towards the ground, okay. Good job, buddy. Run back here quickly. Come on, buddy. That's a long run. Did you do it?
Yes.
Give me a yahoo!
Yahoo!
No, a yahoo, real one.
Yahoo!